Welcome to all. Today we shall read uncountable noun. Uncountable noun, which is known as mass noun, which is not counted. It includes material and abstract noun. Okay, material, that is concrete. Concrete also material noun and abstract noun. So, material noun refers or denotes materials. That is man-made, nature-made, nature-made. Okay, that is paper, brick, paddy, chalk, wax, ink. These are made by the men. Nature made, that is milk, silver, gold, sand, water, clay. Okay, these are the nature made by the nature. They are man made. So these are the material noun or say concrete noun. Abstract noun, it refers 5 things. That is the quality, state, that is feelings, concept, quality, state, feelings, and that is action. Okay. So abstract noun refers 5 things. Okay. Abstract noun, that is, we cannot see or touch, we just feel it. For example, say milk, whiteness. Okay, sugar, sweetness. Okay, these are the abstract noun. Sweetness, abstract noun. These are material noun. Okay, we see and touch. That is milk and sugar. But whiteness and sweetness, abstract noun, you cannot see or touch. You just feel it. Okay. Next, abstract noun refers 5 things such as quality, action, state, or say condition, feelings, and concept. Quality, goodness, gentleness, kindness, charity, and chastity. I have already told you in my first video. Charity, that is giving help, money. Okay. Chastity, that is say purity, sexual purity, and self discipline, that is chastity. Okay. Action, movement, judgment, killer, slaughter. Slaughter means kill animals for food or skin, that is slaughter. State, condition, youth condition, childhood condition, darkness, sickness, poverty. Okay. Feelings, sorrow, you feel something, sorrow, fear, hatred, and surprise. concept, death, honor, capitalism, punjivar, and independency. These are the concept. So after noun refers 5 things. Then rules of uncountable noun. Point 1. Uncountable noun add use in capital letter only beginning of the sentence or at the beginning of the sentence. Suppose milk is a protein food. Protein food. Water is liquid. Okay. So capital letter only beginning of the sentence. Point 2. No article is used before uncountable noun. That is material noun and abstract noun. Okay. But no article is used before uncountable noun. Okay. 3. Uncountable nouns do not change into plural form. No plural form. That is no plural form. Suppose milks, rank, silvers, rank. No plural form. Okay. 4. When uncountable noun particularize or say material noun particularize, the definite article is used. For example, this is the gold of America. This is the silver of India. Okay. So it is particularized. That is gold of America. So these use. Definitely these use before material noun or uncountable noun when it is particularized. Okay. Next. Before after noun, no article is used. But when it is particularized, these use. And before after a noun, these use before and after noun followed by noun with the purpose of before. For example, everybody loves the beauty of flowers. It is noun, it is after noun. Beauty refers noun, flowers, and of before it. So these use. Similarly, I do not doubt the honesty of the man. Okay? After noun, ela noun, of preposition before it. So these use. If the uncountable nouns are in subject position, singular verbs are used. If it comes in the subject position, singular verb is used. For example, honesty is the best policy. Singular verb is subject position. Theft is a sin, subject position, singular verb. Ela abstract noun. Ela abstract noun. Okay. Gold is yellow. Silver is white. Material noun. Okay. Material noun. Subject position. Gold, silver. Okay. So singular verb is used. Next. Point 6. Some determinants are used before uncountable nouns, such as some, little, much. Give a little attention for spelling before uncountable noun. Do not get much help, uncountable noun. I have some work, uncountable noun. There is a little milk in the glass. Okay. So before uncountable noun, we are used that is such as some, little, much, that is determinants. We use these determinants before uncountable noun. Thanks to all for watching my video. Not to forget to subscribe, like and share it. Please comment me.